Everyone, so today I'll be doing an unboxing from QVR hair. So we have some locks. So I got the locks. They shipped the locks to me, and this is how they are in the package. Right, let me remove it from the package. Look at how the locks, the texture is very nice, very nice, good quality human hair. I've been doing locks, installing locks for a very long time, so I know quality when I see it and when I feel it. Okay, so this is the 1B. This is the color 1B. Oh, I just can't stop talking about the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Look at the bow. Nice. Maybe I'll reuse this. Okay, it's cute. So the color is 1B, and we have number 27 at the bottom. So it's an ombre. It's an ombre color, right? And so the length is 10 inches. So we have 10 inches, and we are going to install them. Okay, so yeah, they're super soft. They are soft. It's real. It's honestly, it's human hair. It's so soft. So I'm gonna install them. I'm gonna wash them first, like I normally do. I shampoo them, make sure they have a nice shampoo bath before I install them. Okay, so yeah, these are, and we have approximately 70 locks that we would be installing. So yeah, the quality, I just can't stop. And the color, it's the color, the number 27 with the 1B, it's really nice. The quality is good, and yeah, the texture as well, it's really soft, nice. I would recommend you getting the QVR hair. They're on Instagram. I leave all the details in the description. Okay, so check out the description for the information, and for the Instagram, and for the Facebook and everything like that. Yeah, so I'm going to shampoo them right now before I install. Okay, how they came. Look at how cute they are. Look. Yeah, look. Really nice. Really nice locks. Color, super soft dreadlocks. The quality is really good. And I also got a pin, a crochet pin. Okay, QVR hair. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna shampoo them right now. Okay, so let's do that. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Let's install some hair from QVR, like I said in the intro. Yeah, they sent me the hair, and let's install it. So this is my client. She literally has like 2 inches. Her hair is like 2 inches long. Some parts are like 1 or even shorter, 0.5. So yeah, so let's work some miracles on this lovely lady's hair. So the locks are from QVR hair on Instagram, and the quality, like I said, is top notch. If you want locks, QVR hair is where to go, trust me. So yeah, the quality, the color, the shedding, everything is just good. Okay, so yeah, so I am using the crochet method to do the installation. And I am using my lock hook, my lock pin, my lock prong, whatever you want to call it, to do the installation. So I'm using the two head, the two head, and yeah, I think the size is 0.75 mm. So that's the size I normally use. So her hair is washed prior this, no products added. That's how I like it. I normally put the products after because I have products that I use. And if you want to bring your own products, fine by me. Bring your own products and I'll do it after. But once I'm installing your locks or doing any sort of locks installation on your hair must be clean, dry, non-greasy. So that's how I rather it. So the installation would be much smoother, okay, and would last much longer. So we will be installing 70 locks, and the color, like I said, it's natural black and the number 27. So it's an ombre. So yeah, it's an ombre. Yeah. The information for the locks would be in the descriptions. Everything that you need would be there. And yeah. So keep watching and make sure you subscribe. Hey, wait a minute. Have you subscribers yet? Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribers yet. Thank you so much. Share with your family, your neighbors, your friend, your cousin, your uncles, everybody. Share the video. Thank you so much. Let me know where you're watching me from. Where are you watching me from? Just comment where you're watching me from and just let's interact, okay? Any questions you want to ask me about the installation and any other thing that I haven't mentioned, that I didn't mention, just leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you, okay? I definitely will. The installation, it took me 4 hours. 4 hours installation period. Yeah, 4 hours and a little over 4 hours, I think. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And yeah. This is the finished look. Yay! So we finished installing the hair. Yeah, so stay tuned for the photos, and thank you so much for watching. They're so pretty. They're so soft, versatile. You can style them anyhow you want. Anyhow you want. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.